It is Monday morning in Barichara, and passed a pretty good night. The food last night was outstanding. The most exotic of which that I ate was something best described as big-ass ants. That was a sauce, actually, that the ants contributed to. But I passed my my night in a room that had a window with no glass in it without any problem whatsoever. The singing parrots and birds woke us up around 5 a.m. except for the rooster. He was at it most of the night. And we completed our breakfast. The bikes are loaded up. And today we are headed off to another colonial town called Levya. And it's about a 260-kilometer trek. We have two ways to go. One is mostly paved, the more main road. Then there's a second road which is mostly unpaved. And at this point, we don't know which way we'll go yet. We'll find out. Here we go. Wonderful time in Barichara, and boys are doing their last minute settling up of bills, and we're out of here. Wow, look at those mountains. They are big. Misha says these aren't the big ones. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's kind of a really nice road coming down from Barichara. Nice and tight, twisty. Pavement's fairly good. Sure is pretty. Alright. Now we know we're taking the dirt road to get there today. Look at that. Across the river. Ah, there's the big river down there. Look at that. Yeah. There sure as heck better be a bridge. We ain't going across that. I think I saw the bridge down there at the river. Pretty cool. There it is. Alright. Ah, this is cool. Wow. Wow. And just like that, the pavement starts. Wow. And just like that, the pavement ends again. This is weird. Hola, ¿cómo está? Palmar is cool. It's got a big tree, you can see behind me in the middle of the square, and of course There's the church, always got to have that. And we are buying out the store over here at cold drinks and filling up our camelbacks and getting ready to move on. Hola! Everybody's so friendly. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. A waterfall. And Micho says we can go for a swim if we want. I don't know if there are any takers. It looks a bit rugged down there. Oh boy, now we found a busy road. Well, we stopped at a little cafe, and the vote seems to be these guys want to eat. You know, eating really ruins a lot of good riding. But I lost the boat, so I'm gonna eat a little something. I think this little town is called Gambita. There we go. Boy, nice school uniforms. Alright. And on to a little more dirt road. Boy, lots back and forth on this one. An American flag? How odd. A restaurant. Trying to suck us in. Heard we were coming. Look out, hyenas. Look how pretty that is. So that was nice. Good stretch of road, and we're about to enter what he says is a really fast section. He didn't say whether it was paved or unpaved, but here we go. Corn.
Look at those mountains. That's a national park up there. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Cool. Wow. Got that horse working. Big waterfall over there on one of those cliffs. I don't know if you can see it. It's about halfway up. It's got to be a couple hundred feet high though. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, very nice.
Very pretty, huh?
Yeah. So we're getting close to Via de Levya, and got a little bit of a sprinkle coming down, which is so nice. Knocks down the dust.
So we have arrived at the Casa Terra, and let me show you this cool room I got. This is pretty dang awesome. Check this out. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, how nice. Micho comes through again with stellar accommodations for the night. And once again, we'll be going out for good dinner in town. I need to get in and get showered up and get all the dust off me and get ready for this.